Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you through a complete roadmap to learn full stack web development in 12 simple steps. But before we start, let me explain what full stack web development is. To create a site like YouTube, you need to think about two things. That is, an interface for the user to interact with and a background operation to ensure that the user gets the information he or she is looking for. The part the user interacts with is called the front end of the site, and all the background operation is called the back end. In web development, you can choose to be a front end developer or a back end developer. But someone will be like, I want to learn both. That is where full stack web development comes into play. A full stack web developer is someone who has the understanding of both the back end and the front end technologies. A full stack developer can create a fully functional web application from start to finish. Now that you know what full stack web development is, let's look at the step-by-step stages you should follow. For each step I'll mention in this video, I'll recommend a free course for you to help you achieve your goal. The first step towards becoming a full stack web developer is to master the basics of web development. HTML and CSS are the building blocks of any website. You need to be comfortable with these languages before you move on to anything else. A course I will recommend for you to master HTML and CSS is titled HTML and CSS Full Course, Beginner to Pro by supersimple.dev. This course is about 6 hours long and it is totally free. You can find this course on YouTube. Let me tell you something, over 3 million people have watched this course in the past year and they loved it. If you're interested in taking the course, I have a link to it in the description below. Before we move to the next one, I need you to hit the subscribe button and enable notifications so that YouTube can notify you whenever I upload a new video. Once you have a good understanding of HTML and CSS, the next step is to learn JavaScript. JavaScript is a programming language that adds interactivity to web pages and makes them more dynamic. It is a must-learn programming language for any web developer. A course I would recommend for you to learn JavaScript is by freecodecamp.org. And this course has been taken by over 12 million people in the last 4 years. Again, link to the resources I'll mention in this video is in the description. Bootstrap is a popular front-end framework that makes it easy to create responsive and mobile-first websites. It is built on top of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and it's an essential tool in any web developer's toolkit. A course I recommend for learning Bootstrap is also created by freecodecamp.org. It is about 3 hours long, link in the description. React is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. It is widely used and highly required by employers. React is a key for any full stack developer. A course that can help you with the basics of React is by Mosh Hamadani. I'll put in the description a link to check it out. Python is a popular programming language used in web development, data analysis, and artificial intelligence. It's easy to learn and has a wide range of applications, making it a valuable skill for any developer. There is a full Python course on Mosh Hamadani's YouTube channel. This course has 32 million views at the time of recording this video. I strongly recommend it, link in the description. Django is a web framework for Python, while NodeJs is a JavaScript runtime environment. Both are widely used in web development and it is important to pick one and master it. I'll put links for you to learn either Django or NodeJs in the description. Please check it out. MySQL and MongoDB are popular database management systems. MySQL is a relational database while MongoDB is a NoSQL database. It is important to understand both and know which one to use in different situations. Git is a version control system that helps you manage your code and collaborate with others. But GitHub is a web-based platform for hosting and sharing code. They are both essential tools for any developer and you need to know how to use them. I found a great course to learn Git and GitHub by a channel called Amigos Code. I have a link to the course in the description. Check it out if you are interested. APIs are a way for different web applications to communicate with each other. REST and JSON are two popular APIs now, and it is important to understand how they work. AWS and Google Cloud are cloud computing platforms that offer a wide range of services for web development. They are both highly recommended skills in the industry, and it is important to know how to use them. Again, I have a link in the description for you to learn AWS and Google Cloud. Feel free to check them out. Revision is an important part of the learning process. Go back and learn the concepts and skills you've learned, and make sure you are comfortable with them before you move to the next step. Finally, the best way to learn is by doing. Work on projects that challenge you and apply the skills you've learned. I recommend you do projects for every single thing you've learned throughout these tips. This will help you build a strong portfolio and demonstrate your skills to potential employees. And there you have it, a complete roadmap to learn full-stack web development in 12 simple steps. Remember to take your time, practice, and never stop learning. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.